If your machine is equipped with an oscillating axle, the oscillating axle lockout test must be performed quarterly anytime a system component is replaced or when improper system operation is suspected. You're watching JLG University. Subscribe for the latest content and keep training within reach. Before beginning the lockout cylinder test, if your machine is equipped with extendable axles, make sure the axles are fully extended and place the boom in the transport position with the boom fully retracted, lowered, and centered between the rear wheels. Test both cylinders, one on the left side and the other on the right side of the oscillating axle. Carefully drive up a suitable ascension ramp until the wheel is on top of the block. Next, telescope the boom until it is out of the transport position. With the boom out of the transport position, carefully drive the machine off the ramp in reverse, and use an assistant to confirm the left front or right rear wheel remains in an elevated position off the ground. Return the boom to the transport position and carefully activate drive to release the cylinders. The lockout cylinders should release and allow the wheel to rest on the ground. If lockout cylinders do not function properly, have a qualified person correct the malfunction prior to any further operation. Thanks for watching JLG University. Subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.